All right, welcome guys. This is Phil Colbridge with Keller Williams, Top Orlando Homes. Wanted to show you a brand new listing here, special treat for you for the holidays. Here, 14402 Abington Heights, right here in beautiful Waterford Chase, East Orlando. Over 3,000 square feet, under $400,000, tons of upgrades. You'll get to see that in a moment. Beautiful water view, huge yard. Again, you feel like it's definitely more than $400,000 home here, and you're gonna love the price. Come check it out with me. Okay, so right when you come in, you enter a very cozy environment here. We have the living room on the left, the formal dining room here on the right. As you can see, very modern, bright colors. Actually, a great choice of artwork as well. But great expanse here with the porcelain tiles, and then the open family room here as well. You'll notice from everywhere downstairs, you have the huge backyard and the pond view. Very bright, very private as well. Very exclusive spot here in Waterford Chase. You don't get that too much here in East Orlando, considering this location you'll see on the map. Then we have the kitchen, which has been totally upgraded. Again, it feels like a more than $400,000 home for, again, a great price. You're going to see it, but everything's been upgraded, very modern. You can just basically drop your things and welcome home. You don't have to do any work here. So we're going to show you outside next, and come follow me. Now for my favorite part, the patio, the expansive backyard, very private, very exclusive. Plenty of room for a pool if you'd like. Make your holiday wishes come true. Give us a call, 407-725-3456, toporlandohomes.com.